I'm so sad. I wanna like, I'm gonna die of anime. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna die of anime. World, and today we are in, what's this place called again?
San Francisco.
San Francisco. And do you guys know where we're going?
No, we're going on a family vacation, aren't we?
We're going on a big family vacation. First of all, that's like beautiful, right? Family vacations are always fun because you need to spend time with your family. So do you know where we're going? No? No. We're going to Tokyo. Also, I'm probably gonna die from anime. If any of you like anime, comment down below because like you also feel like anime. Who doesn't like anime? Anyways, comment down below if you watch anime and what series you watch. We got our tickets and we're ready to board the plane, and I wanted to introduce you to my family. So let's go. This is my mom. This is my mom. This is my Nana. Oh,
baby angel.
Fashionable.
My baby angel.
My mom and my Nana are freaking fashionable and like beautiful. This is my brother Nick. Hey. Just watching a movie. And this is my sister Madeline. She's the youngest in the family.
Hi.
And my dad, the cameraman. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's my dad. We're going on board!
Go, focus, sorry. There it goes.
We officially boarded the plane. And it is very fancy, very, very fancy. And look at the window. The window is pretty fancy. It has lighting. See, look how dark it gets. It's like blue like the ocean.
And then look how bright it gets.
Yeah, it was bright.
It gets super bright.
Yeah. It just fades.
It's not working. Oh, there it is. There you go.
And they give us freaking blankets.
And a pillow.
And this is freaking awesome because no other airplane I've been on does this. And it's Wow Maze Balls. That's what I'm gonna use.
Good morning, welcome aboard United.
And it's touchscreen. This is touchscreen, but it's not working right now. Oh, I don't. Yeah, it's not working now. I also have a USB and a headphone. Yeah.
Just going on a little more, and overhead tunnel well first.
And it's amazing. Like, so amazing. Hey guys, this is business class, and it's really fancy. Has this beautiful boat. I don't know what to call this. I don't know what this is. A blanket and a pillow, like a really soft pillow. And then you have a touch screen thing. And I don't know what this is, but this thing converts into a freaking bed. It's so amazing. Like, I guess there's more outlets over here for like different devices. And then there's slippers. So yeah, this is business class. I don't know how to work this into a bed.
Check this out.
Wait, this is a remote?
Yeah, push that.
Alright. Okay. It looks like a...
And press English.
Alright. Okay. This is like a mini Wii U. Put this back how it was. And then...
Oh, there's your bed.
Oh, there's the bed, Rick Road.
Go that one, yeah.
Oh my gosh, like, it already feels super comfy. So this is like to relax your feet, I'm guessing with your slippers.
Yeah.
I'll put it back up because it'd be nice. And then I think these are like to adjust the parts of the seat.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I think that covers it, right? Yeah. Alright, that's actually really cool. So let's put this back how we found it. This is my flight crew. Hi! Thanks for letting me look at first class.
Of course, you're more than welcome to. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. I've never been in a bed on a plane.
Oh, you should see it. Did you see when it actually goes down?
Yeah, it goes really low.
Yeah, pretty comfy. Excited to go to Japan? First time? Well, we'll enjoy the rainy weather, right?
It's gonna be raining like the whole week.
Yeah, oh that sucks. But still, it's Japan.
It is. You could say you've been.
Yep. Hey guys, here's a little update of what is going on in the plane. So we're 41,000 feet in the air. And then here's the map. So this is the destination. That's where we're flying from. And then it just shows, it just fades into more detail. And the food was pretty fancy. Look at this.
There you go.
First class dessert.
Yeah. They also gave us some teriyaki chicken, which I kind of already ate.
Excited to get there?
Yeah, I'm really excited. My heart's like 4 more hours.
Did you sleep?
I slept like a little bit. I don't know how long. But we have exactly 4 hours and 6 minutes till the flight ends. And we finally arrived because this flight is 11 hours. We landed and now we're here in Tokyo, as you can see. And we are in Tokyo and we are at Kawaii Monster Cafe.
Are you ready? Yes?
Okay, let's see.
Yo.
So this is the inside, and it smells, I don't know how to describe the smell. Oh my god. I can't describe the smell, it's like sweet and sour.
There you go.
This is our table, but they have it decorated as like a little hut, I guess.
You wanna walk around? Come on.
Yeah. Okay, so there's this huge tree in the middle, and then there's some over there.
Those are baby bottles.
Yeah. Obviously a sheep, there's a unicorn, there's a top hat from like Mad Hatter, I guess. So right here, if this is edible, everybody would be having sugar rushes, I'm not kidding. People here are dressed up as certain characters because that's their uniform. I don't know what they're supposed to look like, but it's awesome. So a show is about to happen. Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and we are in Tokyo right now, and we are at the biggest toy store in all of Tokyo. And right now from the inside, if you just look from here, it doesn't look like much, but when you go in, it's huge. So I found one of my favorite aisles, well, 2 of them, I don't know how to, but one of them is freaking remint. I don't know if any of you know about that. Comment down below if you do, because you're awesome. And just look at all this remint. Just point to all this remint. Holy cow! And there's freaking squishies. They're huge.
I want this one. Mommy, look at this. Look at this fan.
And now, my second favorite, freaking chopping cooking, because it's fun. This is like a freaking dream come true. So here we are doing a little quote-unquote Mario Kart race, but mini, and this is at the top of the Toyland. So if you ever go to Japan, go to this place. I don't know what it's exactly called, but go to this place if you ever decide to find it and do this little race. It's really fun.
Okay. Ready? Go! Yeah!
Madison or Madeline, and then you, and then me. I was last place.
Really?
Yes.
Oh well, okay, that
Hey,
is,
look,
I don't know what to say.
Number one, go like this, number one.
Number 2.
Where's my number 2? Where's my number 3? Number 3? Number 3!
Hey Madison, tell us your opinion of the racing.
That was actually really fun. I think it's not about winning, it's just about having fun. I know some people actually get mad for not getting first place, but you know, they don't understand that it's about having fun. So, hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and our parents surprised us to Tokyo in Disney. And we're about to go to Disney Sea. Baby. We're about to enter the monorail, as you can see. Pretty sexy ride, huh? We are about to enter Disney Sea.
Go.
Welcome to Tokyo Disney Sea. We are almost in the Tower of Terror and Tokyo Disney Sea. As you can see, it's very, very, very full because, of course, it's Disney. Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and we are in the chocolatery. Isn't it beautiful? So much chocolate for kids to get hyped and break everything. Here is the beautiful, beautiful menu. Just so you know, we're not sponsored, so don't. We are here in Osaka. I think that's how you pronounce it. I am so probably wrong. Very beautiful, very religious, and everything. Beautiful, isn't it? So here are some things we didn't get to record. This is our hotel. We ate fluffy pancakes. We met a meerkat. We had giant cotton candy. We had a blast in the streets of Tokyo that it pooped us out. We even found a new favorite drink. We talked to robots. Being with family is the best. You might even find a square watermelon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.